Patience 11. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on dealing with a severe calamity, such as the death of a loved one, and the importance of moving on. It is important to understand that when a severe difficulty, such as the death of a loved one, occurs, it is better to return to one's normal daily routine and life as quick as possible, instead of leaving everything in order to grieve for a prolonged time. Even though Islam does not prohibit mourning for those who have passed away yet, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 5339, that people should not mourn for more than 3 days, with the exception of a wife for her deceased husband, which is extended to 4 months and 10 days. One of the wisdoms behind this is that when one drops everything in order to mourn, it only gives them time to ponder over the difficulty excessively. This can cause one to become impatient and challenge the choice of Allah, the Exalted, as they dedicated so much time going over and over the calamity in their minds. In fact, a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 79, warns that replaying the calamity over in one's mind and thinking it could have been avoided only opens the door to the devil, which leads to impatience. Whereas, moving forward and returning to one's normal life after the recommended 3 days allows one to mourn but without falling into the difficulty too deeply. A normal routine distracts a person from their calamity and helps them to refocus on the bigger picture, which prevents them from becoming impatient. Muslims should therefore busy themselves in performing righteous deeds which attracts the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, or they should busy themselves in lawful worldly activities like their job. And they should avoid dropping everything in order to mourn for days on end, as this often leads them to a dark place which becomes difficult to escape. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.